What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can run the new Deepseek R1 model locally on our computer. I'm assuming that you already know what Deepseek R1 is, and if you don't know, you can check out any video on internet explaining what it is. There are plenty of videos regarding that. Now, this is going to be purely a setup video, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into this video. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the ollama.com website, and you'll see that right off the bat, it says that get up and running with large language models. So this can be used to run various large language models like Llama 3.3, DeepSeek R1, V4, Mistral, Gemma 2, and many other models. So the first thing that we will need to do is we will need to download the ollama on our computer. I'm using Mac, so if I click on this download button, you'll see we get three options, one for Mac OS, one for Linux, and one for Windows. So since I'm on Mac, I'm going to click download for Mac. Now you can see it has started downloading. Let's wait. Now after the download is done, simply click on the file. You can see it's a zip file and it will extract the ollama app for us. Simply double click and click on this open. Now it will tell you to move this app to the applications folder. Click on move to applications. So this is a basic installation setup on Mac. You already are familiar with that. And you can see now we have the ollama opened up. Now it says welcome to ollama. We can click on next and it tells us to install the command line tool for ollama. Let's click on install and I'll type in my password. Click OK, and the ollama command line tool is successfully installed and it gives us a command to run the llama 3.2, but we want to run the Deepseek R1. So we'll simply click on finish and we'll go back to our browser and click on this models, and you can see here we have the Deepseek R1 model. So if I click on it, now if you look at here, we have various options to select from. And what are these options? This is actually various weights and sizes of the Deepseek R1. The first one being the 1.5 billion parameter model. This is not going to be that good, but it's going to be very fast. And we have this 671 billion parameter model, which is going to be insane. It's going to be very accurate, but we won't be able to run this. Actually, none of the computers that we usually use, they are not going to be able to run this kind of model. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose the 1.5 billion parameter model because it's just 1.1 gigabytes and it would be faster to show in the video. If you want to run the bigger models, it's going to be the same process. So let's select the 1.5 billion parameter model and you can see it gives me the command to run it. So I can simply copy this command, and then what I need to do is I need to open up a terminal. You can open the usual terminal like we have on the Mac. You can say terminal and here it is, but I like to use warp, so I'm going to use that. Now I'll paste that command that I copied here and hit enter. Now it's going to do some stuff. First thing, it's going to download the weights here. So this is going to take some time, and you can see after it pulled all the files, we get this message saying success, and now we can send a message to our Deepseek R1 model. So let's start by how many R's are in the strawberry, and you can see we now get the response from the R1 model, and it says the letter R appears 3 times in the word strawberry. So this is how you can use the Deepseek R1 on your local. But as you can see, we are running it from the command line interface. If you want to run it in the ChatGPT like user interface, then stick around. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So if you liked this video, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It keeps me motivated for creating more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.